In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite teammates to Asana. Inviting teammates is one of the first and most important things you'll do when setting up Asana, because it turns a personal task list into a truly collaborative workspace. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your colleagues into your Asana environment so you can start managing work together. First, open your browser and go to your Asana account. Make sure you're logged in with the account you want to use to invite people, ideally your work or organization account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the home page in Asana. If you're not on home already, you can usually get there by clicking the home option in the main navigation on the left side of your screen. The home page is your central overview. You might see recent projects, tasks assigned to you, and some quick shortcuts. This is also where you'll find the option to invite others. Take a moment to look towards the top area of the home screen. You should see a button or link labeled Invite Teammates. Its exact placement can vary slightly depending on updates to the interface, but it's typically easy to spot near the top or upper right part of the page. If your window is small, you may need to maximize your browser or scroll a bit to find it. Once you see the Invite Teammates option, go ahead and click on it. This will open a small pop-up window or panel where you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to add. At this point, you'll usually have the option to type in one or multiple email addresses, separated by commas or spaces, depending on how Asana formats it. It's a good idea to use your teammates' official work email addresses so they're added under the same organization domain. Before you send the invitations, you may also see optional fields where you can specify which team or workspace they'll join, or even add a short custom message. If that's available, it can be helpful to write a quick note explaining why you're inviting them or which project they should look at first. When you're ready, confirm